just looked in my pantry and realized I had nothing and I needed to go hygiene shopping. So I'm at Walmart getting a little bit of stuff. But look at this, guys, on the clearance rack. This is so cute. It's $21 though. I'm trying to figure out who put the dial soap all the way up there, and I need this. So now I gotta find somebody to get that for me. I lied, there's some down here. So I love this body wash, the Kingfisher. This is a Kingfisher, the Smoky Mountain Vanilla. Kyra put me onto this, and yeah, I already finished one bottle, so yep, it's coming home again. So my face has been breaking out, and I am making an appointment with a dermatologist, but I've been seeing to use this, so I'm gonna try this. I know, stop trying stuff, just go to the dermatologist. But I do notice when I use this, the liquid one, it does help a little bit, so I'm gonna get the bars. And here it's cheap, so $4 compared to like Walgreens. I was in Walgreens, it was almost $6. I was like, absolutely not. This Walmart is becoming so ghetto. They don't have any flushable wipes, but they do have these. These are the good wipes, Shea of Cocoa. I never tried it. I usually just get like Equate, but we're gonna see how this works. Walmart playing them tunes. They're playing Latch by Sam Smith. This is not Hygiene, but, well, I guess it is because I have to wash my clothes. Yes. I get detergent and tissue, and Walgreens usually has a sale, so got $3 off this, $1 off this, and these are only like $2. I'm back home. Sorry if it was a little blurry in Walmart. I was using my phone. I forgot my camera. I wasn't really expecting to go there, but spur of the moment, I was like, you know what? Let me just get this done. So yeah, the first thing I picked up was my TheraBreath. This is the anti-cavity one, the pink one. I love this one. I actually bought this more than like twice, so yes, I recommend that because it is a repetitive buy. And then I got the Dial antibacterial bar soap. So you can use this for your face and body. I'm gonna start trying to see if I notice a difference because I do get like random flare-ups on my face. And I've heard like the antibacterial really does wonders. I did use the liquid one, but I heard like the bar was a little bit better. So I'm gonna be trying this out. Again, this is the Dial antibacterial soap. And then the Kingfisher body wash, the Smoky Mountain and Vanilla. It smells so good. So this is my second buy with this, and I usually only use my Dr. Bronner's, and I still have some of that right now, so I didn't have to pick that up again. I probably won't really need to in like another 2 months. My Dr. Bronner's lasts me literally for a long time, but this I usually just use like for a second body wash, like the smell and everything, but I definitely go in with my Dr. Bronner's first and foremost. Yeah, I don't need that right now, so not in this vlog. And then I just picked up some baby wipes. I never tried, this one is called Good Wipes Flushable with plant-based fibers. It was $3, y'all. I usually just get the Equate, the good old $1 some change, $2. But my Walmart has like been empty for months now. I'm like, what is going on? I could have went to a different Walmart, but I ain't feel like doing all that back and forth. So yeah, I needed that. Then I just got some tissue, some laundry detergents, and bleach, as you guys saw. I literally hate when I have to do everything at once, like all the shopping at once. It's all right. I needed it. We needed it in the house. So whatever. Yeah, did y'all ever try these gummy mangoes? So good. You get them from Walgreens. I think actually Dollar Tree. I found them in Dollar Tree one time too. But yeah, they're just like these little mangoes. And they really do taste like mango. And you just peel them. They're peelable. Sometimes I'm good at it. Sometimes I'm not. So you literally just peel it. And then the inside is like a gummy. It's so sticky. It's so good. When I go to Walgreens, I usually buy this. So, it literally tastes just like a mango. All that running around got me hungry. Thank God today I'm cooking a lot, so I will not be cooking tomorrow, honey. No. It's about like 10 chicken wings, so I will be baking those. And we're gonna be eating that tomorrow too. Probably with just some different sides, but yeah, we're not doing that again tomorrow. Honey, I need at least a day off. A day or two, actually, because we be eating them leftovers. Tomorrow we may be cleaning out my vanity. The vanity looks a mess. And I literally can't find anything and I forget what's in there. That's how bad it is. So we're gonna do that. So stay tuned. Y'all, I'm running errands and I'm looking like a bum. I'm about to try this pomegranate juice. Ooh. I'm about to try this pomegranate juice for the first time. I heard great benefits, so I do want to try this. Let's see. Okay, a little tart, but it's not like intolerable. Like I cannot do it, or unbearable. This is the Palm Wonderful. It was like 2 for $7, and they were like $7 each for real. So I was like, oh, let me try it. So yeah, I had to run to the grocery store to pick up some last minute stuff for dinner, Sunday dinner. So I feel like eating good today. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Oh, that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I'm about to go finish straightening up the house a little bit, shower, then start Sunday dinner early. Hey my love, so we gotta get up in that kitchen. I'm gonna put my beans. I'm just putting this in my pot.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other brother, you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so much sure, I'm so much sure, I'm so much sure. I got me a therapist to tell me there's nothing that I do. One night, not just one show. If I can't have you, no one should. I might kill my next. Not the best idea. This new girlfriend's next. How I get here. I might kill my next. I still love you though. Rather be in jail than alone. I might kill my next. Not the best idea. This new girlfriend's next. How I get here. I might kill my next. I still love you though. Rather be one night, not just one show. If I can't have you, no one will. I'm so much sure, I'm so much sure. I got me a therapist to tell me there's nothing that I do. One night, not just one show. If I can't have you, no one will. I might kill my next. Not the best idea. This new girlfriend's next. How'd I get here? I might kill my next. I still love you though. Rather be in jail than alone.
Look how fluffy and yummy it's coming out. So yes, this made a lot. We should be eating this all week.
Rather be in jail than alone. I did it all for love. I did it all on no drugs. I did it all of this sober. I did it all for us. I did it all for love. I did it all of this on no drugs. I did it all of this sober. Don't you know I did it all for us? Did it all for love.
for the reveal. Ooh, this looks so good, y'all. I'm gonna try some. Bumper clock. I had to. Y'all, this is the final product. My husband made us some salad. But yes, brown stew chicken, a little bit of potato salad, cornbread, and red peas or beans and rice. Like I said, however y'all want to say it. Time to eat.